Hello YouTube, this is Gene CRX Dude. I'm here working on my 2005 Ford Expedition. Gonna change out the DVD player because ours doesn't close properly.
Yeah.
I got one from the yard and it has buttons that are better conditioned than ours, and also this one stays shut. So the first thing you're gonna do is open up your DVD player. You're gonna grab a 5.5 metric socket, and there's gonna be 4 bolts in here. All you do is, and you can do this by hand, you don't have to have a ratchet. You just take the 4 bolts out, just a small little bolt there. Go to our next bolt here. And let's see a little bit more. There's the second one. The third one, you gotta tilt the screen up a little bit so you can get more access to, or actually the 2 front bolts, you'll have to tilt the screen further forward. Just turn there, there's that one, and the 4th bolt here. And as you'll see, the DVD player doesn't just drop out of place. You have to grab it firmly, and let's see, so I won't lose these bolts. There you go, pull down.
Wow, that's cool. Did I ever see that before?
You pull it down, and then you can replace the next one. So we'll put this one back. We'll connect the connector here. It's just the button on the back side there. Press the button. And that there. Shucks. Let's see, we probably should have made sure that we remove the DVD that's inside of here first. Let's see, eject. Remove the DVD. We had Smurfs 2 in there. Remove that. And press the button to disconnect the plug. That's there. Reconnect our plug. Let that hang for just a second.
It looks like a monkey.
Hold on, you're filming your leg. And shucks. So we're missing one of our clips on this one. Should have double checked that. See if I can pull one of these clips off here. Clip off real quick. There we go. Pull the clip off there, and then put it on this guy here. So it'll actually clip into place and it'll be held up there. And then that, you're just gonna push it firmly into position and it'll pop right in. And you can open up the screen here and start working your bolts back into place. Start with working these guys into place there. And again, they only have to be hand tightened. Just hand tighten them. 2 more to go. that's it. Now we got a DVD player that closes. Again, this is Gene CRX Dude. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please press subscribe and like it. I want to thank my camera girl, my daughter. What's her name?
Me, Juliana.
All right, Juliana. And so, have a good day. Take care.